What up, what up, what up? So this will be the, I guess this is still the same day, but charged my GoPro. I'm gonna try and get this, I don't have high hopes, but I'm gonna just jump the car and see what it does. I wanna see if it at least cranks or anything. I mean, it hasn't been started in 3 years and a half. So I just wanna see what it does with a little bit of battery and go from there. I mean, you have hopes it'll start?
Yeah.
So let's connect this. Hold this.
Cheers, guys. You know what time it is?
Modelo time, fool. Let's see if it runs. If it runs, I must say the RV motor must be the greatest engine ever. Oh, turn on the jump pack.
Nice one.
Done?
Yeah. What? Try it. It's on.
Yep.
It's at 12 volts.
I mean, it should make contact, right? Through this. So why not? Oh no, wait. I don't know why you gotta do these sometimes. There it is.
You gotta reset it or?
There's like a button for a different battery or I don't know the back. Let's see. Got lights in here. Gas?
Little bit.
Right. Oh man.
After 3 years, it's not bad.
Look how quiet it is though.
Yeah.
So
I expected it to have a bunch of exhaust leaks and sound pretty like a tractor. Oh, I see the coolant leak.
where?
The heater hose.
Oh yeah.
This is a heater hose.
Little coolant right here. Is that like a nylon hose or something? Wow. So quiet. I'm amazed. I'm gonna turn it off. Wow. Man, that literally just made my day. So, well, this is a new daily. I guess that's how the project is done. Today's episode was gonna be about trying to
That hose is just cracked.
get it running.
Actually, there's good coolant in it too. The water.
Coolant looks nice and green. Shouldn't be too hard to replace that hose. You might as well just replace both, no?
Yeah, we might as well just delete it. We don't need heater here.
Oh, we do need heater. I'm gonna drive this thing in December.
This is. We don't get.
Man, this is cool. So, we'll try and go into the auto parts store, get that hose, and then that door doesn't open. Get all this cleaned out and see what's the next move.
Here we have the first drive in 3 years. Something's dragging. Yeah, we're gonna have to push it now.
Yeah, I think pushing will be the best thing. Come on.
We got some coolant leaking.
Trying to open this.
Oh yeah, she's leaking.
Oh man. Let's try and get that hose replaced real quick. Probably not gonna be fun, but gotta do what you gotta do.
Man, that thing warms up fast.
Before we try replacing that heater hose, I think I'm gonna just clean it out, because I think I gotta reach underneath the dash and disconnect it and pull it out to the other side. But yeah, let me try and vacuum the inside. What is this? Is this old carpet, or I don't know? It's all in here, these holes. I can't get the vacuum in there, so I'm just taking it out by hand, and I'm gonna vacuum it all up right now. But can someone let me know what is this? Now the fun part begins on these hoses. I think my plan of attack is to push this little grommet back, and it is hot, warm. Push these these grommets a little back, unplug it from here, and then I think I gotta reach inside of the car underneath. Damn. So if it goes through here, yeah, it's way in there. That's gonna be a pain in the ass, man. But let's try it. Let me see if I could show you guys. Can you guys see them right there? A little hard to see, but nylon hoses. Oh man, they're crusty. I think they were leaking from the inside too. Ah, that does not look like fun. Got the little grommet out. I think the next thing to do, take the bottom one out. I'm gonna disconnect the hose, and I'm gonna probably get a water bottle and aim that towards the water bottle, and
Yeah. I have to catch that coolant.
Yeah, empty it out. Oh man, this boot.
Oh, nothing came out.
You think it's on?
Nah, I think it has to do with the water pump. Once the car's on, like it starts pushing it. But right now, you know.
Let's do that one. So the bottom one goes to the bottom one, and then top one goes to.
Yeah. Don't worry, we got video footage of where it goes.
We got recordings of this. Might as well buy new clamps.
Yeah. New clamps, hoses.
Oh man. I think the clamp is loose already. I think it's just the hose that's stuck.
Yeah, it's stuck on there. What is it, 50 years old?
Is it? 60? Yeah, it's all stuck in there. Well, whatever. Let me just try and loosen it from the inside. To be able to get it. There's no way this.
You have a stubby flat?
I think I'm gonna need a little llave.
Finally putting in work. And they say he doesn't work on his own cars.
And they say I don't work for a living. I think I'm gonna need a heavy
like
duty
8 or 10.
Yeah.
Let me go check.
First day on the job and I'm already getting injured. But there's a new plan of attack now. Put on the hat. Thought of a genius idea. So I don't think the I don't think AC or heater work in this, so it's a little pain in the ass to get it through the inside.
I think heater still works. If it's still going through, heater still works. But we don't need it.
No, we don't need it. I have a thin ass bear jacket, so it's gonna feel like summer all day. So my plan is just to throw the hose from here to here, just cut this hose, and then just put like a plug right here and there, and that'll be the best thing, easiest fix. And yeah, I mean, I don't expect heater to work in there or AC. Not like, it's hard to believe that AC worked in these things even in the 70s. How fresh can they actually blow in the 70s? Oh, God, this thing hurts. But that's the new plan. Let's just get it done. Look what Boombox just did. Hey, the coolant is green though. Super green. Does that mean the engine is healthy if it's super green? Well, no blown head gasket. So just go to AutoZone, get a hose from here to here. Cut that and tuck it in. I might as well just check for other hoses right now while I'm here, since I'm gonna go to AutoZone or O'Reilly's. Check what other hose is crusty.
Might as well do an oil change after 3 years.
These hoses don't look too bad. What do you think?
No, that looks good.
This one doesn't look. This one's a little. I mean, it's easy. I might as well replace this one. What's this, like the lower radiator hose? Hose, lower. That one. These.
You look fine.
There's a little crack right there, but.
Don't squeeze it because you're making the coolant come up.
Oh yeah.
Plugs look good.
BRB.
That shit
Yeah.
pretty fucking
Plugs
fresh.
look
Look
clean.
We don't need that.
We need that boot for that right there. 1J solar. We got the goods. Got clamps. 5/8 L-shaped hose, or heater hose. And I ordered the lower radiator hose as well, but they said that'll be ready, or that'll be here in like an hour. Might come back later on and just do it myself. Probably won't record it. And we got some coolant, so ready to go. Bad news, we're gonna have to go back to O'Reilly's. So it fits on one side, but
Yeah, the angle's kind of done.
yeah. So this is the old hose we got. This is a new one.
Shape looks correct.
Let's see, try throwing it up. It should work. I mean,
We're gonna have to do some trimming.
yeah.
Yeah. Just might have to do some trimming on each end.
Yeah. That works.
Make it smaller than this.
So the hose is connected already. Right here and right here. I'll try and run it and see if it leaks from there. Which it shouldn't, because that's where it was leaking from, but the hose is new. Radiator's full, new hose. So now what we gotta do is just start it and see if it leaks again from that hose or something, or anywhere else.
There?
Put in the jump pack. Let's see. We have power. Hopefully I don't have to push the clutch in. Put the choke up. Beautiful, beautiful. I don't see nothing leaking. Yeah. I think we can call this a successful day. I gotta go back for the bottom radiator hose. I'll probably put that without recording. It's very easy, and then put the antifreeze. So she runs, check the oil. This was low, but I topped it off. That hose is new. I'll put this one later on, probably off camera. I'm gonna just cut these hoses and put a plug right there on each one for the heater hose. Put air in the tires, cleaned it up. I think that's it for today. Next time, I don't know what I'll do, but this is when I'm gonna wrap up the vlog. I'll go ahead and see you guys in the next one. Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe.